Hello friends, my name is Rishikesh Kanse and today I am here to discuss about the Java list. The list in Java provides the facility to maintain the ordered collection. It contains the index based method to insert the update, delete and search the element. It can have the duplicate elements also. We can also store the null elements in the list. The list interface is found in the java.util package and inherits the collection interface. It is a factory of collection listers interface. Through the listrator we can iterate the list in forward and backward direction. The implementation classes of list interface are array, linked list, stack and vector. The array list and the linked list are widely used in Java programming. The vector classes is detected in declaration. The Java list methods. Void add. It is used to insert the specified element at the specified position in a list. Boolean add. It is used to append the specified element at the end of a list. Boolean add all. It is used to append all the elements in the specified collection to the end of the list. Boolean add all. It is used to append all the elements in the specified collection starting at the specified position of the list. Void clear. It is used to remove all the elements from this list. Boolean equals. It is used to compare the specified object with the element of the list. Int hash code. It is used to return the hash code value for a list. Get. It is used to fetch the element from the particular position of the list. Boolean is empty. It returns true if the list is empty, otherwise false. Int last index of. It is used to return the index in this list of the last occurrence of the specified element, or -1 if the list does not contain this element. Object to array. It is used to return an array containing all of the elements in this list in the correct order. Boolean contains. It returns true if the list contains the specified element. Boolean contains all. It returns the true if list contains all the specified element. It is used to return the index in this list first occurrence of the specified element, or if the list does not contain this element. Remove index. It is used to remove element present in the. It is used to remove present in at the specified position in the list. Boolean remove. It is used to remove the first occurrence of the specified element. Boolean remove all. It is used to remove all the elements from the list. Void replace all. It is used to replace all the elements from the list with the specified element. Void return all. It is used to retain all the elements in the list that in specified collection. Set. It is used to replace the specified element in the list present at the specified position. Void sort. It is used to sort the elements in the list in the basis of specified comparator. Split iterator. It is used to create split iterator over the elements in the list. Sublist. It is used to fetch all the elements lines within the given range. Int size. It is used to return the number of the elements present in the list. Java list versus array list. The list is an interface, whereas array list is an implementation of classes of list. How to create a list? The array list and the linked list classes provides the implementation of the list interface. In short, you can create the list of any type The array list and the linked list classes are used to specify the type. This is the all about the list. Thank you.